Welcome back to the channel, and I hope all of you are doing great today. And now, on today's episode, we are going to analyze the cryptocurrency market from the website. Okay, so just click over here, and our chart is loading. And when you just try to click it here now, the Bitcoin chart will load here. This one is crypto chart. Okay, so I think Bitcoin is on the 82,000 on the range of 82,000, and it has fall massively also. So we are going to just analyze this, and this analysis is based on my own perspective. Okay, so don't try to trade hard. Okay, just try to think for a long term. If you just think it for a long term, then you can maximize your return. But on short term, it is very hard to on, because most of the because you are trying to fight, or you are trying to win over one of the most smartest person in the world. So don't try to beat the market. So always to try to think for a long term. On my own perspective, also, if we just think for a long term, then we can get return. Okay. So when we just think for a long term, then the maximum return is possible. Okay. Let's try to see this. I'm just checking my live. It is happening quite good or not. I'm just trying to check it. Okay. So please wait for a while. Because we have, or I have tried to do live, just it becomes just 2 days also. So there may be the issue. Now let's try. Okay. Now our live is also functioning well. Okay. Our live is functioning very well. Uh, so there may be the issue. Now let's try. Okay, now our live is also functioning well. When you talk about the support and resistance, also when you try to talk about on the top, here you can see on the top it will be resistance. Resistance means the phase from where the stock is, or is falling on downward direction, and support means the zone from where stock is moving towards upward. Okay, I remember this time when Bitcoin used to be here, but at that time I don't have much more knowledge, but I used to see this price and chart. Okay, and now on this page also you can see it here. It will be support, and support resistance means the phase from where stock is moving on upward or downward direction. Resistance means the moving downward direction, and support means moving on upward direction. So when you try to see this, and if you want to be a short term trader, then you can see the 1 minute candle also, so that you can see what kind of candle will be found. Okay, now the candle is on 1 minute, so minute wise candle will be found here. You can just see it here. Okay. Okay, now candle is forming. So let's try to look at here. And I want to showcase you about the information about Bitcoin here. Key statistics is here: volume, average volume of 30 days, also trading volume of 24 hours, 48 billion, market cap 1.65. Okay, fully diluted market cap also 1.74. Then circulating supply was around 19.98 million. People used to say the supply will be the 21 million. Okay, the performance, it has provided the negative return for whole 1 year 20.97%, year to date minus 5.40, 6 month minus 27, 3 month minus 24, then 1 month minus 5.40, 1 week 7.51. Okay, and seasonal indicator, we have to see this. Okay, from 2011, we are able to see the seasonal indicator, and up to 10 year, it has provided very high return. And on this Whereas it has provided the maximum return on year 2013, then 2012, on 2011 it was negative. Then year 2015, 16, this year was good for Bitcoin. Now the return are above 100, but year only two times it has provided the return more than 1000 year. 1336%, year 5220, 8.70%. So it has provided the quite high return for the people for those people who are investing on it. So here is it, and you can see the technical indicator also here. 1 month technical signal here, RSI, stochastic commodity oscillator momentum, MACD also, Williams Fortune range, bull bear ultimate oscillator. Here also EMA, SMA, SMA 20-day EMA also. If we choose a 1 minute candle, will also be shown 1 minute price. 1 month also will be shown. Then Ichimochi baseline resistance third is on here, 199. Then second 147, first 117. Pivot point 96,000, support 65, second support 44. Fibonacci retracement also I'll teach you about Fibonacci retracement 147, 128, 115, 96, 76, 64, 44, 101, 97, 92, 96, 82, 77, 73, 165, 145, 113, 93, 61, 42, 9739, 106, 90. Okay, so you can see this kind of written over here. And if you want to read white paper of this, then just click it here. Here Reddit community is also here. And when you just click it, you can make quite large chart also. Just click it here, and then gadget will also be seen. And if you want to capture the screen also, pop up also, it can be loaded. And on wide screen also you can see this here. Okay, so hope all of you have understood about this. And on screen size also you can capture the image, download the image also, copy image also. So try to see this. Okay. And uh, one thing I want to say that on crypto like Bitcoin, always try to trade for a long term. Okay, so if you just trade it for a long term, then only you can maximize your return, and you can get high margin on yield also. So if you just trade for the short term, then it will be very hard. And I'll click on Ethereum on next live session. Okay. And I think most of the people will not watch up to, I think, 100 video. I'll regularly upload up to 100 video. Okay, then I'll then some of the viewer will be on our live session, but on first phase there won't be any viewer. And I like to say that support resistance is very necessary. And when you try to draw the RSI indicator, also you can see it RSI over here. Just click over the RSI, then RSI is on 65. And considering the RSI above 70 is considered as the bullish zone, and below 30 it is considered, above 70 is considered as the overbought zone, and above 50 is considered as the bullish zone, and below 30 it is considered as the oversold zone. So consider RSI. And when you try to use the MACD also, then when we use the MACD, moving average convergence and divergence. So when this line also, it has only one phase. When it fall below this MACD histogram line, and this green line used to indicate its momentum also, and this line also indicate the momentum. But this one is a high momentum where most of the people has bought, but on this people has told, and this momentum was seen, and this indicate the volatility. So MACD line, when the upper band and MACD line, when this band used to cross over on this. Okay, so when you try to see this, when blue line used to cross over on red line, then it is considered as the buying position. And when the red line used to cross over the blue line, then it is considered as the selling position. And if the same cycle will repeat over here, and blue line will cross over the mm, red line, or we consider the origin line, then there will be the buying position. Now I will teach you about the Bollinger Band indicator also. Bollinger Band means expansion and contraction. Okay, the more this band become wide, the wider the band, the more volatility there on the stock. Okay, so the narrow the band, there will be the less risks. Okay, here. And this band, upper band, if the upper band touch the price on the candle, then it is considered as the overbought zone. So I think you understand about this term. And this one is the middle band. And if this lower band or this green line touches the lower stock, touches the lower price of the crypto, then it is considered as mm, the buying zone. Okay, so the oversold zone, so we have to buy it each year. So always try to use technical indicator, and if you become a short term trader, then you can quite earn little bit of money. But the positional trader and the yearly trader, which is you just used to trade for 1 or 2 years, they can, then they can maximize the return, because we cannot beat the market, because market is the collective sentiment of the millions and the billions of the people who are trying to fight, and who are trying to loot off your money from your own pocket, and they are trying to drain out your money. So draining out, we all have to be careful from those people who are trying to drain out of money. So at first we have to manage our emotion, because emotion play a very crucial role in trading. And if we just develop the patience, then we can also maximize the quite much more probability, and then we can also maximize the return. So hope all of you got it my point. And if you want much more information, then try to ask on our chatbot will respond you. And we are trying to improve regularly. Okay, so there may be some issue. Okay, let's we will try to solve this. And one thing is about, I've already discussed about the patience. Okay, just try to maintain the patience. If we have patience, then there will be the much more plurality of maximizing the return. But a person without any patience, then they cannot yield more. Okay, so always try to think long term. And one thing, another thing is about learning. The more you can learn, the more you can earn. So, learning, when you can learn more, then only you can earn more. Okay. So, always enhance your knowledge, and enhancing knowledge always makes us great in earning also. So, hope all of you got it, my point. And if you want to reach me, then be with me here on the comment section, and on our various social media account. I have created the various social media account from Facebook, Instagram. We are on X also, Twitter. Then we are on LinkedIn also, and we are on TikTok also. So, which social media account do you use to use? Which social media account do you use? Then we'll contact on there. Okay. This much for today, and I'd like to end my live session. And if I got much more time, then I'll again be live here, and I'll provide you the much more knowledge that I have got. Okay. Have a great day. Thank you.